Are you looking for a way on how to create a thumbnail for your YouTube videos? Do you want to make a cool thumbnail to get more traffic and views for your YouTube videos? Did you know that video thumbnails are the #1 factor that influenced people to click and watch your videos? A well-made thumbnail is the key to getting people to watch your videos. It's the first thing they see, and it needs to be eye-catching, interesting, and relevant to your content. Creating a good thumbnail is essential for getting people to click on your video. But how can you create a thumbnail for YouTube videos that will stand out from the competition and get more views? That is where you need to use an AI thumbnail creation app that can help you create attention-grabbing thumbnails that will stand out from the competition and entice people to click and watch your video. A thumbnail creation app that will let you create a video thumbnail for YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, or any video platform out there. A thumbnail creation app that will let you create cool video thumbnails in just 3 clicks and will not require any advanced creative technical skill. To create cool, attention-grabbing video thumbnails, you need to use the AI thumbnail creation app, Thumbnail Blaster. Triple your video views, increase traffic and sales like never before. I will show you how you can do that with only 3 clicks. With over 400 hours of video content uploaded to YouTube every minute, it doesn't matter how good your video content really is, if your thumbnails are not grabbing attention. If you ever uploaded a video and got no traffic, this will fix that. According to YouTube, the #1 factor that influences people to click to watch a video is the thumbnail. And our tests prove that a good thumbnail will increase your views and traffic by up to 300%. Check out the increase in views that we got after testing a new custom thumbnail for this video, or the traffic increase that I saw on my website, and check out how my income was. Thumbnail Blaster is a very simple thumbnail creator for any platforms like YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and others. With Thumbnail Blaster, you can create attention-grabbing thumbnails with the world's only AI thumbnail creation app. Thumbnail Blaster is easy to use. You can drag and drop anything. Thumbnail Blaster is taking things to the next level. With Thumbnail Blaster you will get more views, more exposures and more subscribers, and you will save time. Need more views and traffic to your YouTube videos? Check the description below to learn how to create thumbnails for YouTube videos. With more views and exposure, your videos will have a better chance of getting more subscribers and grow your YouTube channel. Create a world-class, attention-grabbing video thumbnails for YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, or any online video platform. Check the description below and discover how to create a cool thumbnails for your videos in 60 seconds or less. With Thumbnail Blaster, everything you need to create a professional-looking thumbnail is within your skill. It's so easy to use that even a kid can create attention-grabbing thumbnails using the Thumbnail Blaster. To create a thumbnail for your YouTube videos, simply follow these 3 simple steps. Step 1. Select your thumbnail image from the Thumbnail Blaster done-for-you templates. Step 2. Click, edit and customize your chosen thumbnail image template. Step 3. Upload and publish your video thumbnail in YouTube. Create a thumbnail for your videos in YouTube now. Check the description below and see how the Thumbnail Blaster works. Never miss a single creator's rock videos. Like, subscribe and be notified each time we publish new videos.